Welcome to PM-SHRI ZPHS RAMAGUNDAM. Every parent's dream is to provide quality education to their child. Now, that dream can become a reality at PM-SHRI ZPHS RAMAGUNDAM. Our school features: we nurture each student's talent through Individualized Focus Program, IFP. Students in classrooms, digital boards, science lab, and library. Encouraging active learning. Innovative teaching methods, performing field trips. Encourage students to participate in various competitions. Parents meeting, group discussions, mentoring sessions. Performing various activities and awarding the students. Join us at PM-SHRI ZPHS RAMAGUNDAM and give your child the best possible start in life. Celebrating annual day celebrations every year.